This trick is pretty much the opposite of a normal cascade. Hence why it's called the reverse cascade. If you have a look at each beanbag, you'll notice that it's going over the top instead of underneath. So that's every single throw is going over rather than under. It's almost like we're rewinding the cascade and you're going in reverse. So to practice this, you'll need to have a go at those over the top throws on their own. So to do this, we'll just try one beanbag over the top. We're going over this way instead of under how we have been with our normal 3 beanbag cascade. So we're practicing with one beanbag. Once you're happy with that, get your second beanbag. This time we're going to try 2 throws, but both of them are going to be over the top. So throw, throw, catch, catch. But did you see, as this one was falling down, I threw on the outside, so it's going over the top every single time. So I'm going to start with my right hand, right, left, over the top. This time I'm going to start with my left hand, left, right. Just a throw, throw, catch, catch. So it's your second throw that will feel like an over-the-top throw. That's what we've got to practice first. Try both hands. So if you choose a colour, start with the green for example, throw, throw, catch, catch. Start with the green again and it will be your opposite side. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Over the top. Pause the video and try that now. Next up, over the top throws into our 3 beanbag cascade. Find your rhythm first and get nice and settled. When you're ready, we're going to go for an over the top throw on its own. So you're juggling our normal cascade 1 over the top. Now we're going to see if we can get 2 consecutive over the top throws. I'm going to start with the same hand and the same colour. So the blue one over the top and the green one as well. So that's 2 in a row. Over the top, over the top. And then settle back in to your 3 beanbag cascade. So let's see that one more time. Over the top, over the top. Just 2 in a row. Pause the video and practice that now. Now time to get 3 over-the-top throws from our normal cascade. So settle into your normal cascade first. When you're ready, pick a colour and we're going to go 1, 2, 3 over-the-top throws. So we're trying 3 in a row. You might find you can just keep going at this point. If not, just try and beat your record of throws each time. So one more time, look, I'll do 1, 2, 3, back into my normal cascade. If you can keep going to 4, 5 or even more, then you've got the full, never-ending reverse cascade. Because this pattern, the same as our normal cascade, can just keep going. Each beanbag is going over the top. Have a look again at the reverse cascade and watch my hands. You'll see that they're rotating towards each other in circles. If I do our normal cascade, can you see they're going the opposite way? So it literally does feel like the reverse of our normal cascade pattern. So that's the reverse cascade. Good luck!